Hillbilly Nitro. Back with another one, guys. Here we are. The Walk and Talk. Episode 32. We're getting on up in the numbers. Welcome you guys back to the Walk and Talk series. So, we got two specimens here today. We got mine here. The name on it there. And we have Agent Malcolm. Has his knife here too. So what we have two number 44 autumn gold jig bone, I believe it's called. So we have two examples here. So we're gonna open these up. Oop, I just bumped the camera and see what's going on with them. Been waiting on. I've had my knife on reserve since I believe it is early March. Been waiting on this knife, and it's the final installment of the pattern premiere of the 44 run. So this is the final knife, other than the Stag, which I'm not going to be able to get because they're like super exclusive. So I'm sure there's not many of them. So let's get through this. If you'd like to help support this channel on helping us grow, get more knives, get our knives in better quality content. We're on a mission for a new camera. Please consider making a donation in the link in the comments. I'll post that link in the comments. So please consider that. We need your help. I really want these knives to be in like high quality HD, so these knives can look like they're right in front of you. That's what my mission is right now. Anyways, let's get to this. I am excited. I am stoked for this. And the reason I do this, I put my name on this one and on his, just for clarification. That way, if these knives, there's something different about them, maybe I get a button or he gets a button, and that way the knife, the blade could be off or anything. So that way he gets his knife, he knows which knife is his, and I know which knife is mine. That way I don't want anyone to think that I'm like cherry picking a knife, I get the best one of the two and send him the other one. So I always label the boxes, that way we know which one is which. There she is. There's mine. I like that red they done that in there. Here's the Gavin ebony green. No, that's not it. Yeah, that's ebony wood. No, I put the wrong lid on that. Never mind. This is the golden, or the Cocobolo. My bad. Sorry about that. Here's the Gavin ebony. It's just a regular tube. This one goes here. So let's we'll open this one up and get it out. We'll take a look at them together. I got a button. Cool. And the thing is, another reason, there's a very short run of the satin blades, and we both wanted satin blades. So we don't know. I don't know if there's a polished blade in his box or satin. So hoping that there's a satin in here. Hope there's a satin in here. So they had both on the run, and from what I understand, if you wanted satin, you had to get in early, and they was going to ship all the ones people that wanted satin, and then when they run out, they run out. That's what the email said. So just clarification on why I marked these boxes. We got paper here. Here we go. There is his. So we're going to set his over here. Got a lot going on here to keep up with. So we're going to set his right here. Over here to the side. There's our lid. Get to it. This one right here is mine, so let's check it out. Will we have a satin blade, or will it be polished? Let's see. Wow. is nice. It looks like we have a satin blade here. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that. I love this. This is my color right here, as you can see what I've got going on here. I love this autumn dark brown, golden brown, whatever you want to call it. I love this looks vintage 1970s is what it reminds me of, and I love the old stuff like the old Smith & Wessons and stuff, so that's what that color screams to me. This screams 1970s to me for some reason. Wow. There's mine. Let's open his. Try not to get these mixed up. Will it be polished or will it be satin? Looks like we got a satin. 2 satins. Yes. Very nice. So let's take a look at his here. Check that centering here. Looks like it could be off just a hair to the... just off a hair. Yeah, just a little bit. Check that blade. Very nice. That's about a 6.5. Close to a 7, but it's about a 6.5 there. 6 3/4. Very nice. Feels great. Not tight, just smooth. Check that pin blade. Yeah, about the same. Good snap to it. Very nice. Let's take a look around her. Looks like this one's a little bit lighter than this one. A little bit darker. Mine's a little bit darker. Very nice. Transitions feel great on the front here. Very nice. Yeah. Wipe that blade off. I'm gonna make sure you go with the grain here on these satin blades. Getting a glare. Very nice. Pin blade out there. Very nice knife. They really done a great job on the fit and finish on these. Probably the best fit and finish I've seen all year. Okay, let's check mine out. Centering looks perfect. Pull is about the same. Yeah, it's a 6 3/4 right there on the pull. Very close to a 7, but not quite there. A little proud there as usual. Smooth there. Pin blade feels great. Proud. A little catchier on that right there. Got a little bit of a lip there, as you can see. A little proud. Check his out here. And his is the same way. A little proud. So if you have one of these coming, you might be safe to say to expect that. Since we have a sample of 2. Very nice. Bit of a scratch there, but that'll come out. It's nothing major. That comes with handling. Transitions feel great. Yep. A little catchy on right there, but that's nothing major. Check this blade out here. Love these satin blades. I love satin blades. Especially if you're going to use them. Kind of get this thing to focus here. Got the light playing with me here. Very nice knife. There it is compared to the Cocobolo. Man, does that Cocobolo just pop. Had one of the fellas on here say it looked like a blood would, and I would have to agree. Very nice. Yeah, mine is definitely darker than his. And mosquito, man, there we go. Definitely a little bit darker. Here it is up to my number 78. A piece of tape on it. Very nice. I love this 78. This 78 is one of my favorites. Very nice. Here's the number 38. Oh, dropped it. This is I think it's golden brown pick bone, something pick bone. Very nice. I love this knife too. It's another favorite. Great knives, great knives. There's the ebony. Man, did they do a good job on this run or what? Very nice. Let me know, guys, in the comments there what you think about this run overall. You've seen all the knives but the Stag here on this channel, so let me know what you think. I may link I'll link to all those videos in the description in case you guys are just wandering in on this channel and haven't seen the videos. Man, is that nice. I guess we're going to wrap this up. Looks like he didn't get a pin, but he does have a pin with his Cocobolo. I got me a number 44 pin. I was hoping to get one of these. Man, it was a long wait for these. Well, guys, I guess that's going to wrap it up here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hillbilly over and out of here, guys. Peace.